Okay, everyone. Now that we understand the overall process of how satellites sense the Earth, let's move to part 2. What exactly is a satellite image? It is crucial to understand that a satellite image is not a simple snapshot like a photograph you take with your smartphone. Look at the key concept at the top of this image. A satellite image is actually a digital grid of pixels filled with numeric data. Let's look closely at how that grid works using the main visual. When you look at this picture on the left side, your eye sees a smooth, continuous landscape of mountains, river, and fields. But to a satellite sensors, this entire image is just a massive grid, very much like graph paper. Look where the magnifying glass is positioned. Notice that the view inside the magnifying glass breaks the landscape down into distinct individual squares. Those squares are the pixel, or we can say cell. A digital image is made of countless tiny squares, and each single pixel covers a specific real-world area on the Earth's surface. Now let's look at the right side of the infographic under multispectral data for this pixel. If we zoom in on just one single pixel from that grid, the real scientific data is revealed. The satellite does not just store a blended color. Instead, when the sensor passes overhead, it records the precise numerical value known as a digital number for multiple bands simultaneously. Let's look at how a modern sensor separates them. As example, it records band 1, which means blue, at a value of 140. It records band 2 in this image, which means green, at a value of 180. It records band 3, red, at a value of 210. It even captures narrow transition zones like band 4, which is red edge, at 450. And most importantly, for vegetation and environmental analysis, it records band 5 as a near-infrared band, which means NIR, measuring the high value of 650 Hz. The satellite does not see a photograph, it sees a vertical stack of individual band numbers for every single pixel of Earth. Finally, look at the scientist on the bottom right. Their job, as shown in the digital image construction diagram, is to take these separate raw data channels, blue, green, red edge, and NIR, and use image processing software to combine them. By layering these separate bands together, they create the complex, highly detailed multispectral image that we use for GIS analysis. So remember, when you look at a satellite image, you are not just looking at a picture. You are looking at a massive visual database where every pixel contains layered spectral measurement